Today, you're gonna learn how to play the most popular parts from the most popular song right now, We Don't Talk About Bruno. Now this tutorial is super beginner friendly. I'm gonna walk you through and show you exactly what to do. I'm not using sheet music, but if you wanna play more parts of the song and you can read sheet music, I'm gonna link the sheet music down below and where to find it. If you're new to the piano and you want some help getting started, I've got a totally free ebook on how to start playing. I'll link that down below. Okay, let's learn how to play We Don't Talk About Bruno. For this first part of We Don't Talk About Bruno, your left hand is gonna start on the low D here. So here's middle C, so come down to this D, and you're gonna place finger number 4 on it. So you're gonna have 4 on D, 3 on E, 2 on F, just like that. And then with your right hand, you're gonna place finger number 2 or your pointer finger on middle C. So this is what your hand should look like from the beginning. Left hand's gonna start and you're gonna play D, E, F, and then right hand's gonna play C, bounce down to F, bounce back up to C, bounce back down to F, C, and then you're gonna play B. And then right here at this part, your left hand is gonna take your thumb and you're gonna grab G sharp, which is the black key that's in the middle of the set of 3 black keys, okay? And then after you play G sharp, you're gonna play E with finger number 3, okay? So that's the first part. So let's try that together. So left hand's gonna start D, E, F, C, F, C, F, C, B, grab the G sharp, and then end on the E. For the second part, after you play the E, you're going to play D, E, F, just like before, but this time, your right hand is going to play C and then A, like this. So you're gonna play C, A, C, A, C, D, and then end on B. Okay, so let's put that together, that second part. So we're gonna play D, E, F, C, A, C, A, C, D, B. Okay, if that feels good and easy and you want to add in some more notes with your left hand, I'm going to show you how you can do that. The second part, your left hand started on the D, E, and the F, and then your right hand plays the C and the A. Okay, the first time that you play the C and the A, you just play it by itself, but then the second time you lift up your left hand and you play F again. So it would go like this. So the second time I'm gonna lift it up and press it again. And then right after I play this D, I'm gonna play E with my left hand. Okay, so I'll put that all together. This is part 2 with both hands. So you'll play D, E, F, C, A, play the F again, C, A, C, D, quick E. Once you've learned both of those parts, you can put them together and it'll sound like this. I'm gonna go nice and slowly so you can follow along. For this next part of the song that we're going to learn together, this is the part that sounds like this. Okay, we're going to do just our right hand, then our left hand, and then we'll put it together. So right hand is going to start with your thumb on A. This is the A that's below middle C. So here's C, just come down to A. So you're going to play A and then B with finger number 2. And then you're going to tuck your thumb underneath to get C right here. So you're gonna tuck your thumb to C and then play D, E, F, E. Okay, so let's try that again because that's a little bit tricky tucking your thumb there. So you're gonna play A, B, tuck your thumb, C, D, E, F, E. Okay, once that feels good, then you can try adding in left hand. Left hand is gonna start on this low A. So notice we had A with our right hand, also have A with our left hand, it's just lower. So we're gonna play A for 4 counts, 2, 3, 4. 4, and then we're gonna skip down to F for 4 counts. And then we're just gonna skip down to E for 4 counts. So just those 3 keys, just A, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4. Put this together slowly. Here we go. We're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1. Okay, did you notice that I played my left hand E after I had already played my right hand E? Okay, that gives it a really cool rhythm. Let's try this again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then the low E. After you finish playing this E here, this next part is kind of funky and fun. What you're gonna do is left hand's just gonna hold onto the E, but your right hand thumb is gonna move up to D, and you're gonna play D, D, E, then hop up to this high C, C, and then G sharp, which is just the center of the 3 black keys, G sharp, and then A. Okay, so right hand there is D, D, E, hop up to C, C, G sharp, A. Let's put that together. So we just finished playing E, D, D, E, C, G sharp, A. Okay, so let's combine all of that. So we're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Then we're gonna play left hand E, D, D, E, hop, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second part of this chorus, we repeat what we did in the first part. So we're just gonna do this part again. But the ending's gonna be a little bit different. So this time we're gonna play D, E, D, E, D, E, and then we're gonna hop up to B, play B, C, B, A. Okay, so the ending here is hop. Okay, so let's put that together. So this is the second part of the chorus. We're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, hop, 1, 2, 3, 4. The last section of this chorus part is very similar to what we've already done. The only difference is, instead of going down to E here, we're actually going to go up to G. Okay, so it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, all the way up to G. Then we still play E down here. Okay, so let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and then E. Now you guessed it, we have an ending part here, and it's different than the other ones. What we're gonna do for this one is, after we play this low E, our right hand is gonna come up to F, and we're gonna play F, G sharp, B, F, okay, and then D, D, E, big hop up to D, and then C. Okay, so this one's a little bit tricky. So you've got F, G sharp, B, F, D, D, E, big jump, D, C. Okay, so let's put that together. So left hand plays the E, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then end on C. Notice how these first 2 notes, they're actually 8th notes, so they're gonna be a little bit faster compared to the rest of the notes. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So let's put that all together from the beginning of this third section of the chorus. So we'll play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 chorus. So let's go back and let's play the entire chorus, putting it all together. And of course, you can follow the keys on the screen to help you remember what to play. So we're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first one. Here's the second one. 1 the third section. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1. Once you finished up those chorus parts, I'm going to show you how to end the song. So right hand is going to come and play F, C, F, C, F, E, and then slide your thumb down to B, okay? And then the left hand's gonna come in and you're gonna play G sharp. Should be very familiar with G sharp by now. And then you're gonna play E, okay? So you're gonna play F, C, F, C, F, E, B, G sharp, E. Not quite done, almost there. And then left hand's gonna play A, play F, C, F, C, F, G, E. Now, if you want, you can end it with some low E's here, okay, to kind of finish it off. So let's put that together. So you'll end it with F, C, F, C, F, E, slide down to B, G sharp, E, A, F, C, F, C, F, G, E, and then some optional E's at the end, and just hold on to it to finish it up.